This is our 2015 15 plate Mini Countryman Cooper SD Auto. It's the All4 model with the 2-litre turbocharged diesel engine. It's finished in the metallic black and it's got the Chilli pack, which means it comes with the xenon lights. It's got the LED daytime running lights and it has the full John Cooper Works body kit. It's also got the upgrade 19-inch JCW alloy wheels. Inside it's got the piano black interior trim and it's got the optional power fold wing mirrors. Electric windows all round. It's got the sports leather steering wheel with the red stitching and the John Cooper Works logo. Cruise control, telephone and audio controls and the gear change paddle shifts. It's also got the visibility pack, so it's got auto lights, auto wipers and auto dimming rear view mirror. It's covered just over 17,000 miles and it's also got the optional media satellite navigation with Bluetooth telephone connectivity, DAB radio, full climate control. It's got the optional heated seats. Sport pack models come with the red stitching on the gear stick gaiter. It's got the optional front center armrest and the optional carbon black leather sport seats. Electric rear windows. The interior of the car, as you can see, is in exceptionally clean condition. There's no rips or tears to the interior. There's no signs of any smoking in the car. The alloy wheels are all in fantastic condition. Same applies to the rear bumper. As you can see, it's got the rear park assist. It's got the rear roof spoiler and the darkened rear glass. Tyres on the car are all matching Pirellis in very good condition. The John Cooper Works side sills. Comes with the anthracite roof lining. As you can see, it's the All4 four-wheel drive model. And you can see here the John Cooper Works side skirts. And it's got the black pack, so it has all the black trimmings around the lights and the indicator scuttles. Superb looking car. It's got a full service history. And if you click on the links at the end of the video, you can see our finance calculators if you visit our website, or you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see from the service display, inspection service is due February 19 or 20,000 miles, oil service November 19 or in 7,000 miles, brake fluid is due August 2020, front brakes have around 26,000 miles remaining and the rear approximately 35,000 miles remaining. You can see here the documented service records. We do have the print for this mini service and the one carried out by ourselves.